So we have also generator expressions. We can sum like we have generators. We can sum them. Here we can chain them like with some join or something. Here we can sum them. Here we can, for example, we have this one. We have x and y, and here we want, for example, to dot products, and we will zip them together. We'll have a look into zip. Zip just will take will just join each 2 points together from like vertically. It will join 10 and 7, 20 and 5, 30 and 3, which is quite useful. And for x, y in this zip, and we will just multiply them, like multiply x and y, and in the end we will just sum them. Here and here we can just sum them. Here we will just open this file. We will read the lines, and we will see which words are unique here. Those are all like let's say operations on generators. So those are mostly generators. And here we have, those are the unique words in this file. Here we have valedictorian. We will, let's say we will take the marks of a student GPA and the student name for the students in graduates. Let's say we have this data in some database, and we can get the marks out of them, and we can have the marks on both of them, and we we can define actually marks on. There's some other things we can do, like marks is lambda key lambda x. With this lambda expressions we have done this things before. We'll just key we'll do it on the let's say x0, if x0 is the student GPA, for example. Last would be data of golf, and here we can just return, if we want to reverse it, we can just return the list. Here we can apply this list function on the generator without forgetting that this is our generator. And that's it. I hope you really enjoyed this one, and see you for the next one. See you.